people, Bobby Kush, the entertainment boss from Clarendon, Jamaica. Seeing? And for who don't know me, let me explain. A youth born in a Clarendon, out of the ghetto, you know what I mean, with big dreams, have a vision, have a goal. Right? Just trying to get the thing right, take care of the family and thing. And it was never easy. For who know me, know me. But you know what? Just as my motto say, never stop, never flop. Now, I grieve right now because I lose my brother. You understand what I say? In regards to crime and violence in Jamaica. And I see a lot of things where the media, a lot of people saying this and saying that. But I feel like me are the right person to come out and speak on behalf of my brother. Because who feels it knows it. You understand what I say? If you never know, it's all over the media. 6 wanted man get shot in Clarendon, Jamaica. Alright, cool. A lot of people don't know him. A lot of people don't know how the story ended up. So, I could explain. I could give my testimony. He's my brother. So my thing is now, people. I see a lot of people saying like, yes, finally, them dead and finally this and that, and it's not a nice feeling. You understand? But me understand. A lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know the story. So they just see what the media saying, and the media saying, yeah, the man dead and da. But let me tell you this, people. Think about it. A whole heap of we come from the ghetto and we know the struggles. You understand what I say? Rest in peace, bro. I know you know that I love you, dog. Got real love for you. You understand? Tragic how you're dead. And it's tragic you got God away because all me try to do is just get you out of that place, brother. And it was never easy. A lot of we have to do a lot of things in a survival mode. And I'm not saying that my brother never do things. You understand? I'm not saying that. But behind what the media is saying or behind what everybody know, is a good person. You understand? And a lot of we have a bad side to it. But when I see the world abash, like, you know, everybody happy, like, yeah, a round of applause. 6 people dead. Could have cost more. You understand? I feel the pain. My father in the lockup. You understand what I say? My brother dead. I's gotta be the one to call my mother and say, yo, mommy, you know your son dead though? On the other hand, I still gotta tell my mother, say, yo, stay strong, mommy. I'm in a better place. Which in, I want somebody to tell me, say, yo, I'm in a better place. I want somebody to calm my mind. You understand? He was not just another ghetto youth just gone. He was also a father. My daughter just born. He was also an uncle. You understand what I say? When all of this are gone, my 2 sons them in the house. You understand what I say? Him baby mother there in the house. So it could have been more tragic than what the media say. As a father, for know me never the Jamaica. I get a phone call, say this go on and that go on. I could have lose my 2 sons them. But the moral of the story is what I try to say. There's no ghetto youth just come out of the mother and just bad. Sometimes the system, the struggle, got way like that. You understand what I say? My brother, dead, And I could have dead it too. Because I born in the ghetto, I know what it feel like. I know what it feel like for when your child, your baby mother call you and say, yo, the baby gotta get pampers. The baby gotta get feeding. It's not easy feeling. Now my brother gone. Whole heap of youth gone. Check the media. 24-year-old, 25-year-old, 20-year-old. What? We're not on a sympathy. Everybody, most of the people must say like, yeah, I'm glad. You know what subject my brother dead with? Feels good for no say, yo, big up my people them, my family them, my friends them, where I try, you know, if you keep it together and say, yo, Kush, stay strong. You know how much of the teachers them reach out to me? Would teach me. Would teach my brother. I know him, man never was a dunks, man. I just a get to you to get sucked in the system. And big up to the police force, because I would never take nothing from them. They're doing the job. They're doing what the system train them to do. Imagine, I'm there in a Guyana. Seeing all of that are going, I know me youth them, they by my father. Then they by them grandfather. You understand what I say? And imagine me have to call one of my friends from the police force to find out what go on. Because the only person I could have called is just my cousin and she don't know what go on. She devastating. Mel, big up yourself. We know it never easy. And I had to call somebody from the force to try to understand what go on. If my two sons were in the house, if them are alright. People, come on. My brother had so much talent. All he wanted was just to get out. Remember when me there in Jamaica? Me reach out to a lot of people who are in a high society, who are in a high places, for try to get him out. Because you know what? My brother never had a birth certificate. So because he never get the birth certificate, he couldn't get an ID. And because he couldn't get an ID, he couldn't get a passport. But you know what he get now? A funeral. So with all what the media saying, it ain't easy. I see a girl where associate with my brother, they go school. And she depend Facebook saying a long post. You understand? A long post. You know, just a show she condolence. You know what I mean? Give out sympathy. And a lot of people misinterpret. She never say him innocent or him not innocent. But when I think about it, I got youth when at the force right now, where my brother are same age, we're probably deep on the scene. We have to help do what God do. Because the system. We grew up together. But it's just that say, certain we never get the opportunity to do certain things. I was the one who bringing the load from my back for my family. You understand what I say? My brother got more subject than even me. But you know what? I get me youth them early. So I know regardless of what, just like my motto say, never stop, never flop. I couldn't flop. I can't stop. I gotta keep going. And I know me have him in Jamaica. And I try to get him out. And my thing was, brother, just give me a little more time. Just hold on a little bit. My brother is a man who always like sing music and them thing. You understand? But at the end of the day, the system got you one way when you're in a survival mode. Think about it. A lot of Jamaicans, we all know. One of the hardest things right now to get is a job, buddy. Brother, one of the hardest things to get right now is a job. Imagine my brother have more than 7 subjects. You understand what I say? The easiest thing for getting a Jamaica, or certainly in the ghetto, not even Jamaica alone, in the ghetto, the easiest thing is to get a gun. And the hardest thing is to get a job. I'm in the comments so to bash nobody. But I want to check, looking at the system. Looking at the system. Who feels it, knows it. Me are the one. If I call my mother and say, Mommy, your son dead. I see a lot of people on YouTube saying, hey, yeah, them little youth don't know this and them little youth don't know that. Oh, you was a bad man for name yourself Terminator boy. It wasn't a nickname, fam. My father named Terminator. So if my father named Terminator, automatically I am Terminator boy. So me could have got Jamaica and get caught up in the system because I am Terminator boy. He is Terminator boy. My other small brother was smaller than him is Terminator boy too. So come on, man, people with morals there. I doubt if no youth dead they were dead past 26. It's be a young youth. The system, what we are do? What we are do for the ghetto? What we are try to do? I remember when I used to reach out to several people to try to get him out there before things get so worse. Never easy. Who know me as a man? A music I play. I'm gonna just play music in a Jamaica. I fly all over go play music. Because that is what I love. I'm gonna do it for the fun, I'm gonna do it for the hype. I do it for the love of me have feet. I do it so my family could have a better place. You understand what I say? I do it for try to get him out there. But the system keeps sucking him. It just keep on just a pull him in back. When we reach out to people, look, him not on a bird surfer ticket. We get a passport now. Him have to have ID. Him don't have no ID. We get an ID for him now, man. I try to reach out. We reach out to people to get him out of there. But my thing is, my brother gone. And my thing where I want to say to myself and my friend them say, you might lose a brother, but you gain an angel. Rest in peace to the youth them a drop out. It's all 6. Jamaica, what we doing? That is what the media gonna say, like 6 are the most. Not them never come out of them mother belly as the most wanted man. So every time when the wanted man them dead and thing, we are gonna just think, it's people, is human being, is life. How they get into that? When the youth them left school, what the program we are trying to set up to make sure the youth them get a talent or learn a trade or something. We all know around the world. Sex, money, and power. So when you come out of school, we have nature as young youth, we have nature. We're going to have sex. People going to get pregnant. Some throw with them, some bring them. But what about when the youth them born and they got to get pampers, they got to get feeding? What we do? When we have no one to turn to, what we do? When the system saying, hey, look, see a gun here. Then what we do now, we send the police and the soldier them go and get them and deal with them and us. And then what we do? We throw it up on the media and we say, hip hip hooray. Another mother crying. 6 mother crying. 6 father crying. From morning, I call my mother phone. She didn't even take no call. Because she just can't deal with the media. She tired to see it all over. She can't take it no more. I know my mother could think and just... because she can't take it no more. You understand? All me I say, the media wanna try to understand the situation. Yeah? Because when him did there Jamaica, and we are trying to get help, Everybody turn a blind eye. Respect to who try. Can you just imagine? When every scroll, I scroll. I see my brother, I see the media, I see everybody a bash. If I not go YouTube, I look on my WhatsApp, I look on Facebook, I look all over. Six wanted man dead and that's it, and people just a cheer. What about 6 young youth? 23-year-old, 24-year-old. Try my best with him. Try my best. And I know good inside him. It's just that he gets sucked into the system. And at the end of the day, everybody gotta hold the responsibility. I'm not gonna take nothing from that. He make him decision. I could have been there. If a lot of my fans them are there here right now will know me and know I put in the hard work. What if I didn't have a birth certificate? What if I didn't have a passport and couldn't get for fly? And when my baby mother them call me and say, yo, your son or your daughter gotta get pampers or they gotta get this. The baby hungry. What me do? I could have get sucked in the system as well. I don't really want to see this on the media where they was making it look like, you know, he was a beast. It was never like that. If any one of the law enforcement were there on the scene, you understand, were help shoot and kill him, could tell you, say, before he was a good youth. You understand what I tell you? Because a lot of people will even message. You know much of my friend them were in the force message me and tell me, yo, Coach, my condolence. Me even didn't know your little brother. And I don't blame them man. Them man doing their job. But people, what morals there? How much youth have got dead? How much 26-year-old and 20-year-old have got dead before we try? We try with them. When they cry out and need the help. Sometimes I ask myself, sometimes I get a pack of pampers. Is this amount of money? And it's so hard. But make one of the youth them want a gun. It's the easiest thing to get. And I know a lot of people gonna see that video and got their own opinion. But let me tell you this. Who feels it, knows it. Who feels it, knows it. When a lot of people know me and know say Kush is an intelligent youth. But because she's an intelligent selector. Let me tell you something. My brother double. He's more intelligent than me. He got more subject. If we talk about the books, he got more subject than me. And when I'm there. All me have right now is just seeing him on the ground just lying out bleeding. Big up to the people who must send me the condolence. You understand? Even some of them teacher them messaged me this morning. Some of them teacher them messaged me this morning. The amount of them. I'm just try to stay strong. I got proof. It's not just I'm just saying this because I'm a brother. I want to know, listen.
Good morning, Babylina. You're in my prayers. You're your brother. I love you. We love your brother. And we feel it just as much as you feel it. He was such a good soul. We know him from back then. Always manageable. Me always see him. Always see him out of road with him, Father. Not less than call to me. Always. Well, long he head. He not give no trouble, Miss Williams, and he gone. I love him, we feel it. My heart bleed, feel just like how you feel it. Me always a talk about him. He coulda do maths. That the boy had a maths brain. Oh God, me always remember how he coulda do maths. Feel it for you. But we prayed for you. We love you, love you, love you, love you, and love your brother just the same. Know your son too. Can we teach him a summer school, Corey Nelson? Cry if I want cry. Cry, cry, cry. I remember that with Christ in the vessel, you smile at the storm. You never did get for though you did want to do for your brother, but you have a brother baby. So do as much for the baby as you can. The baby is still there as the memory. So do as much for the baby. We love.
So like I can't even listen to more of the voice now. And I got more message. I could dig up message from top of message from top of message, but it only make me feel. When I do this for views and likes, the people who know me, who know my platform, I just don't like what the media, how it look right now, how it sound right now. Now, I seen they publish something now, like they want to forget them, like, you know, my brother is a raper too. I'm gonna come better than that, champ. I tell you no, I'm gonna come better than that. If you don't want, if you make it look like he's this of a bad person, who feels it, knows it. And who know him, know he's just another ghetto youth, just get sucked in the system. But my thing is, a lot of youths out there, we're in the same place where he been. What we gonna do? Wait till the next 6 dead? We put it on the media and say, yeah, good. The police officer, them do a good job. Remember, you know, I tell them I not bash no police officer, you know, because they just doing what they train. They're doing the job. But what about the soldiers them where it's not for the law? We just try to survive. Where no matter what they try, it's just that they can't get certain things. If my brother was a man we got too much subject and it was so hard for him, imagine the youth them we don't got none, we ain't got no subject. But then in Jamaica, I play my music and it's never easy. And I had to move from Jamaica. Because one thing I know, every elevation requires separation. And I love my place. That's why when I go up on the stage or anywhere in the world I go, the capital for Jamaica is Kingston. And I never say Bobby Kush from Kingston, Jamaica. I stand up on my place and say Clarendon, Jamaica. Because that is what I represent. I know when I used to go to school, I used to have my little girlfriend and, you know, the father never like it because why? The place where I come from. The stigma. You understand what I say? It was never, people have it like, you know, farm. Once you come from police stop you, poop, poop. Good afternoon, where you come from? You know, I come from XYZ. Alright, go along your way. Where you come from? Farm. Alright, go up in the back of the vehicle. Was never easy. Just for living at the place and when you look, it there on your documents. It never easy. You know how much time I travel to the airport and when they look on my passport, Effortville. Hey, come, pull on your bag, search. Because they make the place as a bad place. And no, we're not bad. Because if the system going at the ghetto, the Effortville, the same buzz rock what we know, and deconstruct and pull down and build up some different thing, put in some factories, and you would start make money and drive big vehicle, You not gonna become the ghetto no more. So nothing wrong with Effortville. It's just how hard it is to survive when you're in a survival mode. It's never easy. As me tell you, who feels it knows it. Now, them say he's wanted man and this and that and he's a beast. Good. Now there we know the struggle, the farm, the Buckner, the Taylor Nights. You understand? So much place, the Jack Monday. Certain place, they make it look like it's the place is a bad place. A lot of people where they here know the struggle when I talk about. Once you come from certain, it's like you're going to have to get a job at the supermarket. Where you come from? When you look on your resume, where you come from? Farm, Effortville. No, we have no vacancy for you. Because your place where you come from is a bad place. So you is a bad man. That's why I'm telling you, anyone I go in the world I represent for my place, I'm want to show them. Imagine me just put on my roof for my studio. Because I know my brother is a man like always just like sing music. I say, bro, just hold it up, bro, God. Just hold it. I try my best to get you out of that place. Because I know all you need is just a chance. All you ever wanted is just a chance. It's like I run out of time. A lot of people just say, yeah, my condolence because you don't know. And I respect it. But you don't move the pain. It doesn't change the fact that say another girl I go grow up without knowing the father. My daughter gonna grow up knowing the uncle. My two sons them were in the house. One is 8 years old, one is 5 years old. The last memory they have of their uncle is seeing him lie down but bleeding. Or 2 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning, they hear helicopter and I hear ta 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 ta. I would walk past my house if I see it right now. The condition we're in. I wouldn't even know it's my house. Toy shoot up. Where my father there now? I can't even hear from him. Me they overseas. He just they lock up. Nobody now tell me nothing. What happened? Nothing. Nobody. I ain't know nothing. All me seen at the media is that say 6 bad man dead. No, we never born bad. From morning, me I try to call my mother. She ain't even taking a phone call till she feel depressed. I just gotta call my family them one to tell them, hey, you know, keep it up. I need fear, keep it up too. Just my friends them just stay by my side and family member just stay by my side. Never easy, people. It never easy upon him. That I know for a fact. And it never easy. The reason why I know, because I try to get him out of the system. But no matter what, no, like the more I try pull him the system and pull him back is a tug and war. Now, me might, you know, yeah, coach, try to stay positive. My friend them tap me on the shoulder and say, brother, just hold it up. But when I go so boom, I take up my phone and I go up on YouTube. Vloggers talking a set of things where they don't know. What were morals there? Eh? Alright, good. 6 youth dead. How much God dead for we do something? How much more God dead? How much more mother God cry like my mother right now? How much brother God in the do this for me I don't know. How much? How much baby God there? Fatherless. Uncle-less. Brotherless. And my family alone among 6. And it could have been more. Because my 2 sons, they're in the house, just a baby. I have to find counseling for them now. My father just lose his son. Get locked up. My mother, only God is know what she's doing right now. The pain. It's me feeling so much pain inside. Imagine what she feel for fear her own or the other mothers them feeling. They gone. My brother gone. Like he just rest in peace, no? Yeah. He will just rest in peace. That's all me I say. And most respect to all of the people who are telling me, you know, my condolence, and I appreciate it. But the pain still there within. Who feels it knows it. How much mother wanna wait for talk up? Wanna wait till in a situation like me? Eh? Brothers and sisters, neighbors, what we are trying to do? I hear so much people talking so much thing. Oh, Terminator boy, I hear a vlogger even talking, yo, where you get a name Terminator boy? Them a young boy like they watching too much movie. No, him father name Terminator, so it's Terminator boy, it's Terminator son. People. My brother gone, and all I'm subject them when I'm having a head, just gone down the drain. Moral of the story. Mr. Prime Minister, let we try to do better now. Let we try to do better now. Let we try to do better for the ghetto. Because most of the talent them in the ghetto. A lot of youth come from the ghetto. But when they reach the Olympics and them are run and represent the country, there's not ghetto no more because them are represent the country. Check 90% of the artists them in a Jamaica, where they come from, in the ghetto. So let's focus more on the ghetto now and try to help the ghetto youths them where you feel the pain, where you feel the pressure. Let me try. My little sister just graduated. Congrats. But now she got mourn. I don't know how this is going to affect she going into a new beginning. Try to excel. I don't know how this is going to affect. I don't know how this is going to affect my 2 sons. That was even... Because if I'm how much miles away and this thing affect me so much, imagine them were dead in the house. It's never easy. So, I'm talking to you, Mr. Prime Minister. I'm not try to make you feel bad or try to disrespect you. Instead, we invest so much money. Instead, we invest so much money and get the guns, them, the top of the line guns, and get the law enforcement, them, for protect and serve. Why we don't try to protect the talent, them, when they get to and try to build some trade and get them, build some factory. The youth, them, we are dead off for the talent, them. My brother could have done a bank of work. But it was never easy. Because you know why? He come from Buzzrock Farm. One of the baddest places in Jamaica. Buzzrock Farm never do nothing to nobody. But he just have a stigma. It's a bad man place. I know about going to events and plane. And when me reach and try to get a taxi because I couldn't afford to get my own drive or buy my own car. Yo, Bobby Kush, come in. Where you going? Going home, brother. Farm. Me ain't working. Me now go there so. Hey, mommy, this is my boyfriend. Yeah, he cute. He look like a nice guy. Where him come from? Farm. No. He can't be your boyfriend. You can't, you can't have nothing to do with him. Just because what? Hey, good afternoon, sir. Where you coming from? Where you live? You know, Buzz Rock, Effortville, go up in the back of the vehicle. We gotta carry you, go process you. I know what it feel like. That's why I gotta come and I gotta talk. Big up to the mother them. We have a son and we're living at the ghetto. I don't like what the media saying. My brother was never a beast. Oh no, don't get me wrong. Yes, you can put up the picture them where you seen in the station where he was a wanted man. He was wanted by the system. And you know what got him like that? The same system. We put a lock, we put the chain. It's like we're free. Mentally we ain't free. So because we ain't free mentally, physically we're still in a chain. My brother, rest in peace. If y'all are youth them, rest in peace. Never get to tell you as much, but just know me love you, bro. Just know me love you, bro. And I promise you, your daughter, which is now my daughter, I gotta step up. I don't even know how my brother, baby mother doing. Because I can't hear nothing. Everything mash up. Phone mash up. This it's like, I don't know. I don't know what go on. My brother dead. I don't know what go on with him daughter. People who just, all me ask you know, just help me share that video and make it reach to where it's supposed to reach. Because I realize if I was one of the youth them come out on social media and tie up my face and talk something, hey, let us start a rebel, let us start a war. Because they kill my brother, so let us fight back. If I was on social media and come up and tie up my face with a gun and thing, I guarantee I would get more than 1 million views. And a couple minutes, the law would find me. So sometimes it's just we mind people. Now I'm trying to get the message out. Me alone can't do it. So who understand what I'm feeling? We have a brother in the ghetto. But want to even see better. You don't even have to understand the ghetto. But you're tired for go lock up your door and can't leave your car window open. You tired, right? Let me help. All of the business owners them, we're tired for you get the shop this and the shop that. You want a better? Don't turn a blind eye. Why we all turn a blind eye? And then when the same youth them dead now, we give it the law a round of applause. Good job. What is life? Another mother crying regardless of what. Regardless of what. Me tell you, who feels it, knows it. I'm telling you now. Who feels it? A lot of people won't even understand. Just hurt me heart. the newspaper and the media, you know, just a lot of people, you know, just scroll. And a lot of people are going to see, yeah, there was wanted men and there was this and there was that. But to me, he was my brother. Now, when I don't see what I go on in the world right now, my brother dead and I doubt if I can't even get a flight to leave the country where I'm there because of the COVID-19, just to see my brother rest in peace. I mean, I must know if I can't get that. A whole pandemic, DJ not earn no money, but I gotta find it. What about my two little son, where if they don't understand, all they seen, I was talking with my little son. And every time when career day come up, you know what a man tell me? That he is a soldier. He's a soldier. I want to be a soldier. But what about when it 1 o'clock in the night when he might hear a set a gunshot, and when he wake up and if he see what I go on, all he see is soldier shooting after him uncle. What I go think? You feel him I go want to be a soldier? No more? A soldier will just kill him uncle? But they don't understand them thing. So whenever you're in the ghetto, whether no matter what circumstances, it's never easy. That's all I'm saying. It's never easy. The opportunity is never, ever, ever, ever easy. I could have been there, lie down on the ground dead. Because you know what? I don't go nowhere without my brother. And right through the process, I was always there for him. But you know what? Sometimes I have to elevate so much that in order for me to elevate, I have to separate. And I had to just leave Jamaica. Because I have my family to take care of. I always saying, bro, just hold for me. I go foreign. Try to get a... You know, there's an opportunity just to get you out, bro. Now, my little muckle, what I make, I have to go take, put towards. My little muckle where I make now, I have to go put towards to try to bury him. When mood want to say, bro, see a plane ticket you like, you know, just look on life different.